So, dear students, this is the session on YouTube that I took yesterday, and in the description of this session, you see this link, Panacea link. So you click on this. When you click on this, it will open another tab here. Uh, okay, uh, yeah, it will open another tab here, and here you see that you can join this Infinity Pass for ₹0. Select this zero, then click on checkout. When you do that. Um, it will ask for to select state. You can select any state, it doesn't matter, it is only for taxation purpose. uh, Click on checkout. When you do it, okay, it will ask to you to select your Gmail ID or to put in an email ID through which you want to create a pedagogy.com account. Since my account was already created, I directly entered into my account, and after entering here, I'm able to um, I'll search for the Panacea content. Okay, so here I found it. I clicked on my courses and I found Panacea here. Okay, and you can also search for it here. I think you should be able to find it when you search for the same here also. Okay, so when you search Panacea, you get the book, and this is how you can access the books. Okay, you can click on this. For example, I've clicked on physics. You can then start solving the ray optics. You can click on learn. Okay, you can click here, and when you do this, this is what you get. The questions appear in front of you. You can start solving those questions. All right, so many of the students were saying that they were not able to access the Panacea content. So I'm putting this video to help you guys understand how to access the content. I hope this helps. Take care, everyone.